says, what's the ruling on saying Merry Christmas to the Christians or Happy New Year? The answer is, it's totally prohibited to congratulate non-Muslims over their festivals. Totally prohibited. And this is what all scholars of Islam have been saying, till recently, of course, when such so-called scholars of Islam were appointed by political powers to say whatever they want. So such so-called scholars are negligible. They are overlooked. They're not considered to be scholars. You go to the real scholars of Islam, Sheikh Islam ibn Taymiyyah, Sheikh Islam ibn Qayyim, the real scholars like Ibn Baz, Ibn Uthaymeen, Albani, Al-Fawzan, etc. These scholars who speak out of knowledge and without any interference in their fatwas, that you should listen to. And they will tell you that this is totally haram because it is endorsing their false beliefs of Jesus being the Son of God.
Taking part in the celebration or exchanging gifts or wearing good clothes is prohibited. I would go.
What's the ruling on eating from their food they prepare for such events? As long as you're not celebrating with them, nor participating in their gatherings, if they were to send you food while you were at home and the food is halal, there's no problem in accepting it and eating it, but without congratulating them.
I would go a step further and say that we have many of the Muslims who are businessmen who try and do more business during the festivals of the non-Muslims, and they have a Christmas sale, then they have a Diwali sale, thinking they'll do more business. According to me, even this is prohibited. The moment it's a Christmas sale, that means you're agreeing with Christmas. That means you're agreeing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Nauz Billah, begotten a son on the 25th of December. You're agreeing that Allah was born on 25th of December, Nauz Billah. So for a Muslim to wish the non-Muslims on the festival or to take part in the festival or exchange gifts or even try and do more business taking advantage of that festival and saying we are having a Christmas sale, it is not permitted and it is not correct according to Sharia.